From errors and approximations, compulsory we are going to get one VSAQ. Okay, that is compulsory question. Find delta y and dy if y is equals to x square plus 3x plus 6 when x is equal to 10, delta x is equal to 0.01. So here the compulsory formula is one is delta y and another one is dy. Delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. And the dy is equals to f dash of x into delta x. Okay, we have to find out these two by using these two formula. First thing is, what is given? What is given here? So given y is equals to, y is nothing but the function f of x function only. That is x square plus 3x plus 6. And x value is given as 10 and delta x value is given as 0.01. X is equal to 0.10 and delta x means a small change, error. There is a possibility of getting error. Okay. So here delta x is 0.0, very small error actually. Okay. Now we have to find the delta y. What is the formula for finding the delta y? Delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x minus f of x is the formula for delta y. Okay. So now f of x plus delta x, in place of x, substitute x plus delta x. Okay. So here x means x plus delta x, x means x plus delta x. Like that we substitute. Okay. Remaining as it is, x plus delta x. Here x plus delta x square means square plus 3 into x. X is nothing but x plus delta x and plus 6. This is f of x plus delta x value minus f of x. F of x is nothing but we have to write the same function as it is. Write the same function as it is. So only the thing is wherever we have the x, so in place of x, we substituted x plus delta x, x plus delta x. Remaining terms as it is. Okay. After that, a plus b whole square formula we apply here. So a plus b whole square, a square plus b square, delta x whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. So plus 2 into x into delta x plus 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into delta x, 3x delta x plus 6 is as it is and multiply by minus. So we get to minus x square minus 3x and minus 6. Okay. After that, is there any possibility to cancel minus x square plus x square cancel and minus 3x plus 6 and minus 6 gets cancelled. Okay. Yes. After that, what is remaining here? So in the remaining terms, take delta x common. So delta x common means one more delta x and here 2x and here plus 3. So into delta x. Okay. Now substitute the values. Delta x value, here it is given as delta x is 0.01, 0.01 plus 2 into x, 2 into 10 plus 3, okay, into delta x is 0.01, 0.01. 2 into 10, that is 20. 20 plus 3, 23. 23.01 into 0.01 into 0.01. Okay. So 20 plus 3, 23. 23.01 into 0.01. So here we have to multiply 23.01 into 1. That is, we get 23.01 only. Okay. But here, the thing is, here left side, here in the first term, after 2 numbers, decimal place. The second term also, after 2 numbers, decimal place. Total from right side, we have to count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Total after 4 numbers, we have to take the decimal place. That is 0.2301. 0.2301. This is first one is completed. Okay. Now, second one. What is second one? Dy is equals to. dy is equals to f dash of x into delta x. This is the formula. Now, we have to differentiate the f of x function. That means d by dx of x square plus 3x plus 6. We have to differentiate into delta x, Now, x square derivative is 2x and plus 3 into x derivative is 1 plus constant is 0. Constant is 0 into delta x. What is delta x here? 0.01. 0.01. Okay. So now, so dy is equals to 2 into x. What is x value here? X is equals to 10. 2 into 10 plus 3 ones are 3. So 0 no need and 0.01. 0.01. Okay. So 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 3, 23. Okay. Here what we did, we substituted the values x is equal to 10 and delta x is equal to 0.01. Okay. So given values we substituted 20 plus 3, 23. So that is 23 into 0.01. Okay. So 23 ones are 23. 23 ones are 23. After two numbers, we have to take the decimal place. Okay. After two numbers, decimal place means 0.23. So once observe carefully, 0.2301 and 0.2323 both are same only. Both are same only, equal values. Okay. So most of the questions, for all the questions, maximum, we get the equal answers. This is delta y value and dy value. Okay. So what is important here? Main important thing is the formula. So delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x minus f of x, and dy is equals to f dash of x into delta x is the formula. Okay. Finally, here we are getting the answer as to 0.2301 and another answer is 0.23. Okay.
Yes.
Here the first answer is this is dy and this is delta y. Okay. So now next find delta y and dy if y is equal to x square plus x at x is equal to 10. Delta x is equal to 0.1. Delta x is equal to 0.1. Okay. So in this, what is given? First write the given function. Okay. Given y is equals to f of x is equal to x square plus x, and x value is 10 and delta x value is 0.01. Okay. Now, what we have to find? Delta y and dy. Delta y formula, that is f of x plus delta x minus f of x. Okay. So delta y formula, f of x plus delta x minus f of x minus f of x. So that means delta y is equal to f of x plus delta x means x plus delta x whole square plus x plus delta x. In place of x, substituting x plus delta x. Minus f of x means minus of x square plus x. A plus b whole square. A square plus b square. Delta x whole square. And plus 2ab. 2 into x into delta x. Plus x plus delta x. Minus x square. Minus x. Okay, once observe carefully and cancel. Plus x square minus x square plus x minus x gets cancelled. Okay. For all the questions like this only, take one delta x common. So one more delta x plus 2x. Delta x is common. And delta x common means we get 1. Okay. Into delta x. Whatever we took the delta x common written outside. Now we have the values. Values are given as x is equal to 10 and delta x is equal to 0.01. I am substituting now. Then delta y is equal to delta x value is 0.01 plus 2 into x value 10 plus 1 into delta x is 0.01. 21, 2 into 10 and 20. So 20 plus 1, 21. 21 into 0.01, that is 21. 21 ones are 21. And after two numbers, take decimal place. Okay, 0.21. And outside we have 0.01. Okay, one more 21 times 1 is 21. And after two numbers. After four numbers, we have to take the decimal place. Okay, take the decimal place after four numbers. Four numbers only. Wait. So here addition is not multiplication. Starting is addition here. This is equals to 2 into 10 is 20. 20 plus 1, 21. Okay, for this 21, we have to add 0.01. Okay, 21 is nothing but 21.00. So we get to 21.01. Okay, so we get it as 21.01 into 0.01. Now multiply 21.01 into 1, that is 2101. After two numbers, 2 plus 2, 4 numbers. Okay, that means 0.2101. This is delta y value. Delta y value. After that, he is asking the dy value. What is the formula for finding the dy? Dy is equal to f dash x into delta x. What is dy formula? Dy formula is f dash of x into delta x. Okay. So what is the dy formula? F dash of x into delta x. That means we have to differentiate the function x square plus x into delta x. X square derivative is 2x and x derivative is 1. And delta x as it is 2 into x value 10 and y value 1 is as it is. 1 is as it is. And delta x value is 0.01. Now 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 into 0.01. Multiply 21 in 1s are 21. And after two numbers, we have to take the decimal place, 0.21. Starting numbers once, observe carefully, 0.21, 0.21, same. Okay. So that means all these two are equal only. So what are the required values here? So here the required solution. Okay, and what important concept is delta y is equals to f of x plus delta x minus f of x is the most important formula. And after that, we are substituting here, and okay, x is equal to 10 and delta x is equal to 0.01. Finally, we are getting the delta y value as 0.2101. 2101. Okay, and dy is equals to 0.21. 0.21. Yes. Okay, so this is delta y value and this is dy value. This is dy value. Okay, so these two are very, very important questions and compulsory, most repeated questions. These two are most repeated questions. Okay, after that, better to do this problem. Okay, so that is okay, approximate values. Okay, so find the approximate value of square root of 82. Square root of 82. This is March 2013 question. Okay, square root of 82. Okay, so here also we have to take the function first. Okay, so let the function f of x is equals to root x. This function is in the form of root x. The function is given function in the form of root x. First, we have to identify. Okay, after that, identify the square, perfect square close to 82. Okay, 81 is a perfect square close to 82. 81 is 9 square is 81. 9 square is 81. So let I am taking x is equal to 81 and delta x is equals to plus 1, right? Okay. So here delta x is equal to 81 plus 1. 81 plus 1. Now approximate value of root 82. Approximate value of root 82 is nothing but root 82 is nothing but, okay, so that is equals to, we can take the formula as f of x plus delta x is equals to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. This is the formula. Okay, f of x plus delta x. Okay, f of x plus delta x. X is equals to f of x is equal to 81 plus delta x is 1 is equals to f of x. What is f of x here? Root x. What is f dash x? D by dx of root x. Root x is nothing but x power 1 by 2. And delta x is as it is. This root x as it is plus x power n formula we have to apply here. Okay, d by dx of x power n into x power n minus 1. So 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 into delta x as it is I am writing here. So root x plus 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 2 minus 1 is x to the power minus 1 by 2. Okay, into delta x. Okay. So this is root x plus 1 by 2 and x to the power minus. Okay, power is negative in the numerator. So take it to denominator so that we get the positive into delta x. Now substitute x is equal to 81 and delta x is equals to 1. Okay, so that is root 81 plus 1 by 2 into x to the power. Okay, 81 to the power 1 by 2. Okay, our root, both are same only. Delta x is equals to 1. Root 81 means that is 9 plus 1 by 2 into, this is also root only, power 1 by 2, 9 square. Square root gets cancelled, so we get 9 into 1. So we get it as f of 82. This is f of 82. In place of x, keep 82. So that means indirectly it is root 82 value only. Root 82 value. Okay. So root of 82 is equals to 9 plus 1 by 18. 1 by 18. 1 by 18 means approximately it is 1 by 20. 1 by 20 value. Okay. So that means if we remove this 0, we get 0 point. And here we can take 1 0. Wait. With 20, we have divided by 1. Once observe carefully. Okay, 0.10. 1x, 10. And even it is not divisible, 1 more 0. Okay, 25 times is 100. 25 times is 100. So approximately 1 by 18 is close to 0.05. 0.05. Okay, so if you want the exact value, 0.056 is the exact value. Little bit. Okay, so 1 by 18 means it is less than 20. That's why little bit. Okay, so we get the value extra. That is 6. So finally, what we get here, 9.056 is the value of the root 82, approximate value of root 82. Understood? So in this, what is important here? So compulsory important means first considering the given function as root f of x. After that, what is x value, of x square value? Okay, and delta x difference. After that, f of x plus delta x is equals to f of x plus f dash of x into delta x. Okay, then we are substituting. Okay, so and simplifying here f of, okay, so d by dx of f of x, we are applying x power n formula here. And finally, Okay, so 1 by 18 value is also important, 0.056. So final answer is 9.056 is the required solution. This is root 82 value. This is approximate value of root 82. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one of the important question for approximate values. And after that, okay, so next one more important question is if the increase if the increase in the side of a square is 4%, then find the approximate percentage of increase in the area of a square. Area of square. Okay. So this is also most important and the most repeated question here. Okay, 16, May 16 and March 18 and okay, so in May 16 it came in the AP and TS also. AP and TS in both the okay, so states we got this question. Okay, so one of the most important question here. So what is given here? If the increase in the side of square is 4%, one side. Okay, so here, what is square? Okay, square is nothing but, okay, so this is the square. Okay, so if you consider the side of a square is x centimeters. Okay, increasing side is 4%. 4% it is increasing. This side 4%, this side 4%. Okay, so like that. 4%, the square is increasing. Square is increasing. Okay, sides increasing. Then automatically, there is increase in the side area of the square. Okay, we get the square in bigger. We get the bigger square. Whenever the square is increasing like this, we get the bigger square. Now, what is the approximate percentage of increase in the area of the square? Okay, that is the question here. Now, what is it given here? So, given let x is equal to side of a square. Side of a square. Okay. Now, what is the increase in the side of a square? Okay, so given that, okay, delta x by x into 100 is equal to 4%. Is equal to 4%. Increasing in the side. Okay, so that is delta x is the increment. How much is difference divided by total length of square is x into 100. Percentage means into 100. And what is the area of a square? Area of a square. Area of a square. A is equal to x square. Applying log on both sides. Applying log on both sides. Then we get log A is equals to log x square. Log x square. Log x power n means n log x. 2 is a power, so write it as coefficient. So 2 log x. Here we applied log x power n is equals to n into log x power becomes coefficient is equal to log a is equal to log a. Now, if we differentiate, then change in the logarithm, okay, that is delta a by delta a 1 by here d by dx of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by a into change in a means delta a is equals to, okay, 2 is a coefficient and log x derivative is 1 by x. So 1 by x into delta x, that is change in x, change in log x. Okay, rate of change in log x. Here, rate of change in logarithm function. Okay, logarithm function. Now, if we multiply by 100, we get the rate of change in the area. Okay, so multiply by 100 in the left side and 2 into delta x by x into 100. Okay, already we have the value of delta x by x into 100. Okay, so here. Okay, that is 4. So 2 into 4. 2 into 4, 2 4 is 8. 8 square units. 8 square units. This is the required solution. Here, what is important here? So most important thing is considering the, okay, so here, considering x as a side of square, okay. After that, delta x by x into 100 is equals to 4%. It is given, and the area of the square formula, that is x square, that is x square. And after that, applying log on both sides, so we get log a is equals to 2 into delta x. Then, okay, so delta a by a is equals to 2 into delta by x. After that, multiplied, and finally we are getting the answer as 8 square units. 8 square units. This is the required solution.